Welcome to Snow Friday, guys. Today we're looking at Restell Roofing, which is a roofing company that's based in Birmingham. Looking at their website, you can see that it's well structured. It has nice covers, nice layout of the website, of the homepage in general. So there is always room for improvement, and that's what I'm going to suggest here. So it's a couple of bits. They're not that easy to be done because they will require some time to create the content about it, but it's about services and areas served. And since they already have the area they are covering listed here on separate pages, let's go to Solihull, for example. My suggestion is, why not improve the content on those pages? Because you can see that we have only a couple of sentences here. And my suggestion is going to be enrich that content to show some expertise, to mention how many projects you have completed or how many roofs you have repaired or installed in this area. You can mention something about the area itself to make the content different than the content on the other area pages. Something else you can add here is you can embed some reviews from your Google profiles, because when you have reviews on those service pages, it's quite likely that if someone is looking, for example, for roofer in Solihull, they're going to see the service page, the area page, sorry, rather than the home page, because this is more likely to rank there. And if you have those trust signals, like you have those here, but if you have the reviews, they're going to help you to convert better the users. And when you enrich the content, you're going to help Google better understand why are you a good fit for this particular service, for this particular area. And it's more likely for Google to rank you. So this was one aspect of the things that I wanted to cover here. Let's go back to the home page. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Stoyan from Marketing. This is Tune-Up Fridays, and with Tune-Up Fridays, we're aiming to show you different ways you can improve your websites, your Google Business profiles, in order to attract more users, attract more customers, and ideally to make more money out of it. Going back to the website, to the homepage of the website, you can see that they're offering lots of services here. But none of them is linkable to a separate page. When you go to the services page, you can see something similar. You go down here and you see a list with lots of services here, but none of those is linkable, which means that there is no service page for any of those. And for me, this is a big opportunity here, because if you can create different pages for the different services, like for the maintenance, for the guttering, you will be able to enrich Google with information about what you're doing, how you're doing it, and Google is eventually going to evaluate that information, reevaluate your website, and ideally is going to rank you better. Because if you just mention flat roofing and your competitors have more information about it, why would Google show you rather than your competitors that have more content? So that's what I wanted to suggest here. Those couple of bits were easy to share, were quick to share, but working on those is going to take some time, especially in terms of creating the content. And if you're wondering what we do at Marketing, because I mentioned we're from Marketing, we're doing just that. We're doing SEO services. We're helping businesses get more traction with their websites, with their Google Business profiles on Google when someone is looking for services related to what they offer. If you want to get in touch with us, you can just Google Marketing and you're going to see our profile. And if you want to see your website featured in one of those series, just comment below the video and we'll reply back. Cheers for now. Bye.